y'all doing? Running back to your kid? He don't want you no more.
That's a lie.
Is it? Tell me this, Sheriff. If your kid loves you so much, why is he leaving? You think you're special?
Pervert.
You're a piece of plastic. You were made to be thrown away. Speak of the devil. Now we need
Toon.
You need to avoid that truck. Why don't you come on back? Join our family again.
This isn't a family, it's a prison. You're a liar and a bully, and I'd rather rot in this dumpster than join any family of yours.
Jesse's right. Authority should derive from the consent of the governed, not from the threat of force.
Don't worry about it.
If that's what you want.
Wait! Don't do this!
She's a doll.
Do it.
There's 100 million just like her.
Not to me, there's not.
Fine. Then why don't you join her?
Everyone, listen! Sunnyside could be cool and groovy if we treated each other fair. It's he's made us into a pyramid, and he put himself on top.
Anyone concur with
Do it.
I didn't throw you away. Your kid did. Ain't one kid ever loved a toy, really. Chew on that when you're at the dump.
Wait. What about...
I don't know what you're talking about.
You used to do everything with her?
Yeah? Then she threw us out.
No. She lost you.
She replaced us.
She replaced you. And if you couldn't have her, then no one could. You lied to Big
But-
and you've been lying ever since.
Where'd you get that?
She loved you.
Hunter.
Emmy never loved me.
As much as any kid ever loved a
Toon. Attack.
Also,
David. Attack.